Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trying out a new product from Girl in Hair, and it is the Curl Cloud Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel for curly and kinky hair. Stay tuned. So in this video, we're going to be doing a wash and go with the brand new Curl Cloud Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel. I am so excited about this product. I absolutely love Girl in Hair products. The Curl Cloud Deep Conditioner, if you have not tried that yet, I don't know what to tell you. Don't know what to tell you besides go out and get it. Go to the website, go to Target, get the mask. It's amazing. So now they have just come out with this gel, and I am so stoked about it. And if you know how the Curl Cloud mask smells, this gel smells exactly the same. So let me show you what it looks like. And the consistency, it feels so moisturizing. I cannot wait to get into this, so keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by applying my Nourish leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections and apply this all over and detangle before adding my gel. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to start with this back section. This section is fairly damp. So we're gonna go in with our Nourish leave-in conditioner. And we're putting a generous amount to make sure that our hair is moisturized. And I absolutely love these Girl in Hair products. They are good for protective styles as well as for your natural hair. So I'm just going in and finger detangling, making sure the product is evenly distributed using the praying hands method. And you can see the moisture and the definition already. So I'm just going to take my brush and detangle starting at the ends and working my way up. And then I'm just going to twist this section and move on to the next section. Okay, so now that we are done moisturizing each section, I'm just going to take down this first twist and we're going to get ready to apply our gel. Before we start with our gel, we're going to go in with our water, so let me grab that. Okay, so we are going to first split this section in half. Just want to apply the gel. We want to work in smaller sections to make sure that we get the entire head completely defined. So we're going to go in with our mister. And when doing a wash and go, you want to make sure that your hair is completely wet. And us low porosity girls, you know it takes some time to get our hair wet. So now that our hair is wet and our shirt is wet, we're going to go in with the star of the show, the gel. So we are going to go in with about this much to start. And we're starting at the roots. And then just raking it through. And when I do my wash and goes, once I get to the styling portion, I don't really like to use a brush or anything. I prefer to just use my hands. So I'm going in with a little bit more. Okay, girl in hair, curl cloud gel. So far, so good. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so our back section is done. Turn around so you can see. So we're gonna move on to the front. Okay, we are on the last section. I decided to go with a side part. Clear water. Add our gel. And rake it through. This wash and go was so quick and easy. Didn't have to do much at all. I am hoping for good results. So far, definitely looking good. Add a little more gel on this side. Scrunch it a little bit. And then we're going to let it, well, first we're gonna do these baby hairs, and then we're gonna let it air dry for a little bit, sit under the dryer for a little bit, and then decide if we are going to diffuse or not. Okay, so our edges are done. And our curls are already popping. I cannot wait to see the final result. Do a quick 360 of my wet curls. And when I come back, you will see my dry curls. So stay tuned. And here are my final results. I I'm blown away. Blown away. Girl in Hair has not disappointed me yet. And this Curl Cloud Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel, you need this. It's wash and go season. You need this. So let me tell you, when my hair dried, there was a little bit of a crunch in some areas where I used a lot of gel, which is not a bad thing. Not mad about the crunch at all. That just means that the gel has some hold to it, which is amazing. All I did was put a little bit of oil on my hands and just did the praying hands method. And that's it. Like, I did not go in and stretch it. I literally put some oil on my hands and just like this. That's it. Like, this wash and go is so bomb. It was so quick to do. Like, I'm ready for wash and go season. Are you ready? Are you ready? Go and get you some Curl Cloud Gel. New product, just dropped April 1st. This is not a trick. This is for real. This stuff is bomb. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So, it has no silicones, no parabens, no mineral oils, no animal testing. It contains pimento oil, which is an antioxidant for scalp hair, castor oil, which promotes hair growth. We all want the growth, right? And tea tree oil, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This stuff is bomb. I mean, need I say more? Let's do a quick 360. Okay, go get you some. I am so excited about this wash and go. I'm excited about wash and go season. Let me know in the comment section below, is this wash and go season for you? Do you have your bomb combination ready for wash and go season? If not, I got you covered. Check the description box. I will leave all the information for these products down below. Again, this is, not sure if I said it, but this is a Black-owned business, a Black female-owned business. You gotta support. Gotta support. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed this wash and go. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you in my next video. On the road to 1K, help me get there.